The P0441 trouble code in the Toyota Corolla means that there is an air leak in the EVAP system, which is the fuel tank evaporative system that basically allows your tank to breathe without contaminating the atmosphere with fuel vapors. There are several possible culprits for this code, but it's usually easier to sort them out one by one than to actually inspect the system. First of all, in about half of the cases, this code is an indication that the fuel cap rubber seal has changed its shape. You may replace the seal, which is a couple of dollars, or you can replace the gas cap, which is about $15. This is a good place to start. Also, after you install the new cap, you will need to drive several miles till the EVAP canister equipment registers proper parameters. Then the second possible culprit is overfilling your gas tank. Toyota vehicles hate this since overfilling creates vacuum issues in the tank, and this upsets the EVAP sensors. The good thing is that after you drive for several days and there is again some air in the tank, this code will go away on its own. The third, quite common problem is the air leak in one of the pipes that connect the purge valve located under the hood to the EVAP canister located near the fuel tank. In the majority of cases, the leak is under the hood in flexible pipes because of these pipes breaking or clamps going loose. Just replacing the broken pipe or clamp and driving several miles will fix the issue, but you should inspect them carefully. It's not always that easy to see a crack in a pipe. Finally, the broken purge valve may also cause this P0441 code, but in this case you will most likely have a bunch of other codes. If you've checked everything else and can't find any problem, replacing the purge valve is pretty much the last thing you can do on your own. I've read on Toyota forums that the cracked EVAP canister may cause this code, and it obviously can, since it will be leaking vapors. But I haven't seen a cracked Toyota canister even in cars after heavy crashes, so I can't imagine how you can break the canister. Anyway, if there is no way you can solve this problem, looking at the canister may eventually be beneficial. These EVAP canisters also have ventilation valves built in the canister itself, but again, I haven't seen a single EVAP vent valve failing, so I don't consider this a common or even possible fault.